Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this, but they would like the black to do just like right here. And I interactive fill tool. They want the black behind this blue. Well, I could have just told him, but I thought I'd make a video. If we look at this under wireframe, and I did it for reasons I do it all the time, that's how he drew it. So you got an outline around something. All we have to do is take a rectangle. And normally, if we would take the Smart Fill tool and fill this in, it would go in those crevices. And it did. So what we need to do is make a duplicate of this. I was going to tell him that, and then I thought that ain't going to work. So I'm going to do this, but then I'm going to fill it in with black, and look what it did. It filled in my crevice. It made the whole thing black. Then I can take my rectangle tool and take my Smart Fill tool and fill in that, and now I got a hollow item. Now I can fill that in with black. And remember, I'm nudging the whole time, so now I can just nudge it over and then go up to Object, Order, Back of Page. Now this only worked out because of the fact that he had it, the way he drew it. I'm not going to say that you could do this every time with every shape like that. But then if you select it, it shows several fields. But if we go right there and click the black, I don't know why that's doing that. And then I'm getting some inadvertent zooming. And then move that over. The black is selected because that's what I had selected. Then I played around with this for a little bit with it. I don't know what he's going to do, but even going to global, it's just doesn't do anything for me. Maybe if you did the circle smaller. Yeah, kind of looks like a ball now, and part of the flower is in front. I hope that helped him, and thank you for watching.